Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this phone. Before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector which comes provided with the device. Will look something similar to this, but if you can't find it, obviously you could also use a paper clip, extend on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top, I guess left side or right side if it's folded, left side if it's unfolded of the device. So you can see it right over here. Using this little pen, you want to put it into the insert area and then push the pen in. You can see that it does pop out enough for you to be able to just pull it out. On the tray you have space for two dedicated SIM cards. We do need to flip this over. Grabbing our SIM card, you want to place it on the tray, make sure that it is clipped in correctly. It shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. So there we go, as you can see that's card. And then you can insert it back into your device. And as you can see, it's automatically working as it's prompting me to enter my SIM card PIN. So there we go. That is how we can insert your SIM card into the device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.